cuties are finally here. Hi guys, I have participated in Vaaree's Mystery Box Challenge. I've got 1 hour to set up my living room and I have no clue what's there in these boxes. So let's dig in! Whoa, it looked lighter. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get started with the first box. Oh, such a cute cactus. This is such an adorable trinket tray. Oh, these are cute two portrait frames. Let's open this. Okay, these are cushion fillers. This is a wall hanging and it's got this bohemian vibe to it. Okay, these are some really cute cushion covers. This is such a nice lantern. Oh my god, this is like the heaviest box here. Ooh. This is a lamp. So nice, love it. इतना सारा बबल रैप, इतना सारा पैकेजिंग, काश कोई मेरा इतना ध्यान रखता. Oh, this is smelling good. It's a candle. Whew. This is a throw. Ceramic vases. It's so aesthetic, guys. Look at it. Okay, now where's my knife? Where's my knife? And we have a cute little plant here. Okay, now we have our last box. Finally, after so much struggle. Whoa. This is a vibe check. Time's ticking. I've got 30 minutes and I need to decorate my place. So let's clean this mess. Okay, we're gonna start with the console table here. And this is a vase, this is a piece of me. This is a cute little vase. I'm gonna keep it here. Okay. Some candles and diffusers for the aroma. This looks great. This is my reading nook. I want to make it really cozy, so I'm going to use the cushion and the covers given to me by Vaaree. I'm going to keep this pair of vases here. For the center table, one is the tray. I'm gonna get a vase, an artificial plant, a candle. Okay, I've set my painting. I love that it's abstract. It goes exactly with my couch. Now I have a question for Team Vaaree. How did you all know that this is my vibe? This is so me. This is so boho. I love it. Thank you for making my house a home. Now I'm 3 minutes over 1 hour, but what do you guys think? Did I pass my challenge or I failed it? Let me know.